Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a body scrub with your leftover coffee grounds. I know some people compost them and use them in their plants and in their gardens, and that's great. But sometimes you have an excess of coffee grounds. I can teach you how to make a body scrub that is fantastic for your skin with just 3 simple ingredients: a little bit of coconut oil, some vanilla extract, and leftover coffee grounds. We've been having espresso for the holidays at Simple Body, and so we have all these awesome leftover pucks from the espresso machine. And it's fantastic because with espresso, it's finely ground. So the coffee grounds are like almost like sand, which is it's a great exfoliant. So I've taken basically about a 1/4 cup of coconut oil here, and we happen to use like an organic, edible coconut oil. It's not anything specific. So most everybody can get that at the grocery store. You may already have some in your cupboard. And I like coconut oil because it's antimicrobial. It has good slip to it. Also, it lasts a long time. It's not an oil that goes rancid rapidly like some of the other oils. So basically, when you get your coconut oil, sometimes it can be firm, and depending on the temperature of your pantry or your house, it can be extra firm. Obviously, as you know, coconut oil gets firmer in the cold and more liquid in the heat. So if you find that your coconut oil is too firm, you could stick it in the microwave for like just a minute, like not even a minute, maybe 30 seconds. And that'll help liquefy your coconut oil a little bit. And you don't want it totally liquid. You want it malleable. So where you can actually press your coffee grounds into it. So again, about a 1/4 cup of coconut oil and maybe about a 1/2 cup of coffee grinds. Oh, it is messy, but it will be so yummy. The only thing I would caution is I wouldn't use this scrub on your face. I like to use things that are very, very gentle on the face. I don't like to agitate the skin too much, but if you guys are like me, during the winter months, we get, terribly dry feet, elbows, knees. This will be particularly good for those areas. I thought it was gonna be softer, but so I did what I told you not to do, and that was overheat the mixture just a little bit. I think I went to 40 seconds, and it did make it very, very hot. It doesn't ruin the mixture, it just makes it too hot to put your hands in to stir. But once you get the coconut oil melted, it makes this really awesome mixture. And this mixture is particularly good for feet because of the coconut oil. It's antimicrobial, antibacterial, and I know everybody can use a little bit of that on their feet. But the mixture is nice and kind of silty. It's a very fine exfoliator, so it'll work, on all of those rough patches. Plus the caffeine is really great for your skin. It stimulates your blood vessels to come to the surface, which will help regenerate your skin. So keep this mixture in the refrigerator because you don't want it to mold. But once you take it out, you may have to heat it up a little bit in the microwave before you use it. I added about 10 drops of vanilla extract just to help it smell really good. If you don't have vanilla extract, you can use almond extract or another one that you may have in the cupboard. But this is a great scrub to make with very few ingredients that you probably readily have in your kitchen. Very easy, very quick, and fun to make with your kids. Give it a try and let me know what you think.